Darren, what do you think of success?
Lovely.
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 Mm-hmm.
You hear that? Lovely. Corey, what'd you do today?
Well, I broke my Source One yesterday.
Oh, of course, broken again.
Broke my Source One yesterday.
What's he always do?
Break it.
Broken.
Broke the quads.
His new name's going to be Broken FPV.
Broken FPV.
I'm going to change that right now.
Yeah,
I'm going to change that right now.
That is your new name.
Broken FPV. That is a good name,
I'm going
man.
to change it right now, okay?
Yeah. Oi, I just named him Broken FPV.
I'm going to change that right now. I changed it from when it comes back. N52.
That was gold.
What was that?
He said she goes, it should be Broken Dot FPV.
No one else is going to get that but us.
Yeah, that's the whole idea.
Not sad enough to watch what's taking place. Not selling off my feeling to relate. But you can name a price. Oh, you're eloquent, that's nice. Praise be on high to fate. But God already forgot me. Cut off both my hands, change the locks again, that's alright. Cause an angel caught me. She pays all my rent, paints the walls and then sings all night. All night, all night. I'll be good forever, at least the rest of my life, alright. More friends than I consider in the polls. More drinks so we can study different roles. A drop out on your hands, no pockets in my pants. No problem could be solved, so what's wrong with another thing in my head? Yeah, what's calling up those memories again? I once was at a loss, the savior cut me off. Before you came along, it was God who already forgot me. Cut off both my hands, change the locks again, that's alright. A fucking angel caught me. She pays all my rent, paints the walls and then sings all night. All night, all night, yeah. Gospel can't compete with her, they don't shine a light. Alright, 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 yeah. I'll be good forever, at least the rest of my life, alright. So what? God forgot. So what? Carry on. So what? Don't we get off? I know this place on the next block. The best that there is on this earth. You know what? You know that you are. You know what? You know that you are the best that there is on this earth. You're the best that there is on this earth. You know what? You know that you are. You know what? You know that you are the best that there is on this earth. But God already forgot me. Cut off both my hands, change the locks again, that's alright. A fucking angel caught me. She pays all my rent, paints the walls and then sings all night. All night, all night, yeah. Gospel can't compete with her, they don't shine a light. Alright, 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 yeah. I'll be good forever, at least the rest of my life. I'll be good forever, at least the rest of my life, alright.